Hey ho, my friends. Matthew here from the Medical Medium Way, and I'm excited because today we're going to do an unboxing. Medical Medium recently posted on Instagram about the medicinal benefits of the calendula flower. So I thought I would try that and make tea and see what that's like. But before I buy anything, I go to the Medical Medium website and check for the Medical Medium approved products. So I went to his site, I found the calendula flowers that he recommends, I bought them and ordered them through Amazon, and here they are. So let's unbox and see what that's like. Wow, look at this giant bag. Wow. 16 ounces, 1 pound. Wow, that's a giant bag. Look at that. Okay, let's open that up. See what it looks like. Wow, it smells great. Wow, they look so fresh too. I'm gonna pour them out into a little dish so I could show you. Oh, look at that. Wow, it's beautiful. Look in there. That's amazing. Look at this. Oh, watch out. Oh, we're gonna make tea. We're gonna make tea with that. Okay, I'll be right back with tea. So I read the packaging and it doesn't say how much to put in the tea. So I went to their website, fgorganic.com, and they have recipes posted on there. And I found the calendula tea recipe, and they recommend 1 tablespoon of leaves for each 8 ounces of water. And so since this is going to be 4 cups, 32 ounces, I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of calendula leaves, and we'll do 1 more for good luck. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I'll let this steep for a while and give you another shot once it steeps for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, look at that beautiful rich color. It's like an amber gold yellow. It's beautiful. I let this steep for over 45 minutes just so I could even just handle the glass because it's really hot. And as it was steeping, all of the petals and flowers just sunk to the bottom very slowly and gracefully and beautifully. So I'm excited to taste this. Let's see. That's good. It's strong. Definitely could use some honey. Definitely put some honey in there. I would also add rose hips for some vitamin C, but I wanted to try this one all by itself just to see what that was like. So thank you for watching The Medical Medium Way, where I help those with chronic illness by sharing the amazing medical scripture that's brought to us by Anthony William, the Medical Medium. I'm healing, and so can you.